What's going on, guys? It's me, Brandon. I'm with Southern RV. I've got a 2026 Forest River Wildwood X-Lite with a 25ICE floor plan. Come with me, let's take a look. I love the fact that this dinette actually turns into a sleeping area, so when the in-laws come around, they've got a place to sleep. Coming to the perfect place to watch the game on a Sunday afternoon. This does convert into a sleeping area as well. All this space can convert into one massive lounge. One thing to take note of, there is a nice hidden storage space right behind this door.